Hey, I'm spektorbaal. I am a gothic musician and also an occultist, and welcome to my channel. I'm shooting this on a 12mm Rokinon lens. Let me know how it looks. Also shooting this on a Gh4 Atomos recorder from my Gh4 to get the best possible quality I could get from the Gh4. I really want to bring you great content and to make sure that the audio and visual does not distract you from the content. So in this video, we're going to be talking about astral projection. But before we start, consider subscribing, click on that notification bell, and make sure you click on that like button. Click on it. It will help the channel out a lot. Anyway, what can I tell you about astral projection? It takes time, it takes practice. If you kept trying to astral project and nothing actually happened, don't worry, it will happen. Just need a bit of patience. Now, here are some tips to help you when you're trying to astral project. Make sure that you find a place where you could relax, that nothing can disturb you. If you are living with other people and you feel like they will disturb you, go into the bathtub to astral project, a place where you could isolate yourself from others. Ow. So, when it comes to astral projection, there's two forms of astral projection: full-on astral projection and partial. When I mean partial, you don't fully astral project, but you're kind of half out. Hope that makes some sense. I rarely fully astral project. Usually, if that happens, it's in a dream. So, you found yourself a place where you might not be bothered. Then, you may lay down, you may sit up. Because if I lay down, I tend to fall asleep. So, you could do this with your eyes open, or you could do this with your eyes closed. Try to tense every muscle in your body, starting with your feet. Tense it about 5 seconds, relax, and move up from your feet, up to your neck. Now, the important thing to do is do not anticipate anything, because that will mess up the whole astral projection. I know that it messed me up a lot of times when I anticipated. When I anticipated, it messed up the whole operation. So try not to anticipate anything. Just be. Concentrate on your breathing and try to imagine yourself on the other side of the room. Wherever you may be, or if you're doing this outside, try to imagine yourself across the street or across the park. Doesn't matter. If you are doing this in the bathtub, try to imagine yourself next to the toilet. A little joke there. When your imagination kicks in, you will start to feel as if you were out. Go with it. Flow with it. That is a good way to know that you're on the right track. How do you know when you are actually out or partially out? Everything in your mind will play like a movie. Just like a movie. You won't have to do anything. It just happens automatically. Then you know you are out. Let me know about your astral projection experiences down below. Now, a couple of things before I close this video. No, you will not die if you have an astral projection experience. You will be able to come back. I get a lot of viewers that ask me, look at astral projection as sort of a meditation. Nothing will happen. You will be fine. If you feel that there might be some entities that might attach to you, create a circle mentally around your body as you project. And you could also create some sort of a circle around your astral body as you project. And you will be safe. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.